Indoor courtyards and vertical gardens bring nature inside with stunning home designs. Introduction: Embracing nature in modern home design. Welcome to ByJustTD. Today, we're exploring innovative ways to bring the beauty of nature into your living space through indoor courtyards and vertical gardens. These stunning home design features are not just about aesthetics, they transform your home into a serene retreat by incorporating lush greenery and natural elements. As we delve into the details, you'll discover how these designs can enhance your living environment, boost your well-being, and create a harmonious connection with nature. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment on this video to let us know which nature-inspired design you find most inspiring. The concept of indoor courtyards, a breath of fresh air. Indoor courtyards are architectural gems that provide a private, open-air space within your home. This design element creates a central focal point that enhances natural light and ventilation throughout the interior. By incorporating an indoor courtyard, you can enjoy the outdoors from the comfort of your home, regardless of the weather. The courtyard often features lush plants, water elements, or even small seating areas, making it a tranquil retreat where you can unwind and reconnect with nature. The integration of this space not only improves the aesthetic appeal of your home, Vertical gardens, maximizing greenery in limited spaces. Vertical gardens, or living walls, are an innovative solution for incorporating greenery into compact or urban spaces. These installations use vertical surfaces to grow a variety of plants, creating a stunning visual impact while also improving air quality. Vertical gardens are versatile and can be integrated into various areas of your home, from living rooms to kitchens. They serve as beautiful focal points and help in balancing modern design elements with natural beauty. By selecting a diverse range of Designing your indoor courtyard, key considerations. When designing an indoor courtyard, consider the flow of natural light and how it will affect the surrounding rooms. The placement of the courtyard should maximize sunlight exposure while providing adequate shading to prevent overheating. Additionally, incorporating elements such as water features, stone pathways, or seating areas can enhance the sensory experience of the courtyard. It's also essential to choose plants that thrive in indoor conditions and complement the overall design of your home. By thoughtfully designing your indoor courtyard, you can create a stunning and functional space. Creating a vertical garden, from concept to execution. To create a successful vertical garden, start by selecting the right plants for your environment. Consider factors such as light levels, humidity, and maintenance requirements. Vertical garden systems can be wall-mounted or freestanding, and it's important to choose one that fits your space and design preferences. Installation involves setting up a framework that supports the plants and allows for proper irrigation. Regular maintenance is crucial for keeping the garden healthy and vibrant. By planning and executing your vertical garden with care, integrating indoor and outdoor spaces, a seamless transition. One of the key benefits of indoor courtyards and vertical gardens is their ability to create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. By blurring the lines between these areas, you enhance the feeling of openness and connection with nature. Large glass doors or walls can open up to the courtyard, while strategically placed vertical gardens can be viewed from various angles within the home. This integration fosters a sense of continuity and expands your living space, making it feel larger and more connected to the natural world. The benefits of indoor greenery, health and well-being. Incorporating indoor greenery, whether through courtyards or vertical gardens, offers numerous health benefits. Plants improve air quality by filtering out toxins and increasing humidity, which can lead to a healthier living environment. They also have a calming effect, reducing stress and promoting overall well-being. The presence of nature inside your home can enhance mood and productivity, making it a more pleasant and invigorating space. By investing in indoor greenery, you're not just enhancing the aesthetics of your home but also contributing to a healthier lifestyle. Styling and personalizing your indoor courtyard. Personalizing your indoor courtyard involves selecting design elements that reflect your taste and lifestyle. Consider incorporating various textures, colors, and materials to create a cohesive and inviting space. You might add comfortable seating, decorative planters, or artwork to enhance the courtyard's appeal. The key is to create a space that feels both functional and aesthetically pleasing, serving as a retreat where you can relax and enjoy the beauty of nature. Personal touches can make your indoor courtyard a unique. Maintaining your indoor courtyard and vertical garden. Proper maintenance is essential for keeping your indoor courtyard and vertical garden in top condition. Regularly water and fertilize plants, and ensure they receive adequate light. For vertical gardens, check the irrigation system and prune plants as needed to promote healthy growth. Address any issues such as pests or disease promptly to prevent damage. By staying on top of maintenance, you'll ensure that your greenery remains vibrant and continues to enhance your living space for years to come. Conclusion: embracing nature through innovative design. Indoor courtyards and vertical gardens are innovative design elements that bring the beauty of nature into your home, creating serene and functional living spaces. By incorporating these features, you not only enhance the visual appeal of your home but also improve your overall well-being. We hope you enjoyed exploring these nature-inspired design ideas with us. Don't forget to subscribe to ByJustTD for more inspiring content, like this video if you found it helpful, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts or experiences with it.